Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of unspoken car habits that every true enthusiast seems to adopt. You know, those quirky little rituals that might seem odd to outsiders but are totally normal in the car community. From the way we lovingly name our vehicles, yes, that's right, your car deserves a name, to the almost sacred practice of washing it before a big meet, these habits are what set us apart. Ever noticed how car lovers can spend hours discussing the perfect tire pressure or the best oil for their ride? It's like a secret language that only we understand. And let's not forget the infamous car wave. You know, that subtle nod or wave you give to fellow enthusiasts as you pass by. It's a simple gesture, but it's a bond that says, I see you, and I respect your ride. These quirky habits aren't just for laughs, they play a crucial role in fostering camaraderie among car lovers. They create a sense of belonging and community, reminding us that we're all part of this wild, wonderful world of wheels. So buckle up, because we're about to explore these habits in detail and share some laughs along the way. Habit 1, the secret handshake. The secret handshake of car enthusiasts. It's not just about the cars, it's about the unspoken gestures and signals that help us identify each other on the road. Whether it's a subtle nod, a quick wave, or even a thumbs up, these little actions create an instant connection among fellow gearheads. It's like a secret club where everyone knows the rules, even if they're never written down. Imagine cruising down the highway and spotting a fellow enthusiast in a sweet ride. You throw up a wave, and they respond with a smile and a nod. It's a moment of pure joy, a silent acknowledgement that says, I get you. But let's be real, sometimes these gestures can lead to some hilarious misunderstandings. Picture this, you enthusiastically wave at what you think is a fellow car lover, only to realize it's just someone confused by your excitement. Awkward, right? These moments, while funny, highlight the importance of belonging in our community. They remind us that we're all in this together, sharing a passion that transcends mere metal and rubber. So, we want to hear from you. Share your own experiences with car enthusiast signals in the comments below. Let's keep the laughter rolling and the connections strong. Habit 2, the obsessive cleanliness. When it comes to car enthusiasts, obsessive cleanliness is practically a badge of honor. You might think it's just a car, but for us, it's a canvas that deserves the utmost care. From specialized cleaning products to intricate techniques, we go to great lengths to keep our rides spotless. You'll find us armed with microfiber cloths, clay bars, and a whole arsenal of waxes and polishes that would make any detailer proud. Let's not forget the infamous Saturday wash. It's a ritual where enthusiasts spend hours meticulously scrubbing every inch of their vehicles. I once witnessed a friend spend an entire afternoon cleaning his engine bay with a toothbrush. Yes, a toothbrush. He swore it was the only way to get into those hard-to-reach spots. And who can forget the time I accidentally used a wheel cleaner on my paint? Spoiler alert, it didn't end well. These over-the-top cleaning rituals often lead to funny stories that we love to share. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your cleaning habits? Do you have any tips or funny stories about your own obsessive cleanliness? Drop your comments below, and let's swap some hilarious tales while we keep our cars shining bright. Habit 3, the modifications obsession. For car enthusiasts, modifying vehicles is more than just a hobby, it's a passion that fuels creativity and self-expression. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, the world of modifications is vast and exciting. Popular tweaks include everything from aftermarket exhaust systems that make our cars roar to custom wheels that turn heads on the street. Each modification tells a story, reflecting the owner's personality and driving style. But let's be honest, modification journeys can be a roller coaster of mishaps and triumphs. I remember a friend who decided to install a new cold air intake. He was so excited that he forgot to tighten a crucial bolt. Let's just say, the sound of his engine was more whoosh than vroom for a while. On the flip side, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of nailing a DIY project, like when I finally got my suspension just right. The first drive felt like floating on clouds. Now it's your turn. We want to hear about your own modification adventures. Have you had any hilarious mishaps or incredible successes? Share your stories and showcase your car modifications in the comments below. Let's celebrate the creativity and passion that make our automotive community so special. Habit 4. The road trip rituals are the thrill of a road trip. For car enthusiasts, hitting the open road is not just about the destination, it's about the unique traditions that make the journey unforgettable. First up, let's talk snacks. You'll find a mix of classic road trip goodies like beef jerky and gummy bears, but we also have our own quirks, like the guy who insists on bringing a cooler full of homemade sandwiches and a stash of energy drinks. It's all about fueling up for those long stretches of highway. And what's a road trip without the perfect playlist? Whether it's classic rock anthems or the latest hits, the right tunes can turn any drive into a concert on wheels. I once took a trip where we accidentally played the same song on repeat for 3 hours. By the end, we were all singing it in our sleep. Let's not forget those memorable pit stops. From quirky roadside attractions to the best local diners, these stops often lead to the best stories. Now it's your turn. We want to hear about your favorite road trip stories and rituals. What snacks do you pack? What songs do you blast? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's celebrate the joy of the journey together. Habit 5. The endless debates. In the world of car enthusiasts, light-hearted debates are as common as oil changes. These discussions can range from brand loyalty to performance specs, and they often spark some of the most entertaining conversations. You know the ones: Ford versus Chevy, or import versus domestic. Each side passionately defends their choice, often with a mix of facts and good-natured ribbing. I once witnessed a debate about which car had the best handling escalate into a full-blown discussion about the merits of different tire brands. It was like watching a group of philosophers argue over the meaning of life, but with more horsepower involved. And let's not forget the classic manual versus automatic debate. I've seen friendships tested over someone's preference for a stick shift, with one friend dramatically declaring, "Real drivers shift their own gears." These debates are all in good fun, and they highlight the passion we share for our vehicles. They remind us that, at the end of the day, we're all car lovers, regardless of our preferences. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite car debates? Do you have a strong opinion on a particular topic? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation rolling and enjoy the camaraderie that comes with our shared passion. As we wrap up our exploration of the unspoken car habits that define car enthusiasts, it's clear that our community is rich with quirky traditions and shared passions. From the secret handshakes that create instant connections to the obsessive cleanliness rituals that keep our rides spotless, each habit plays a vital role in fostering camaraderie among us. We've also delved into the modifications obsession, the unique road trip rituals, and the endless debates that spark laughter and lively discussions. These habits not only highlight our love for cars but also emphasize the importance of sharing experiences and knowledge within our community. Whether it's swapping cleaning tips, sharing road trip stories, or engaging in friendly debates, every interaction strengthens our bond as car lovers. We'd love to hear more from you. What quirky habits do you have? What stories or tips can you share? Your experiences enrich our community, so don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into the world of automotive content, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us create more engaging content for fellow enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.